Decomposers are fascinating organisms that play a crucial role in maintaining life on Earth. They are nature's recyclers, constantly working to break down dead material and return nutrients to the environment. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead organic matter into simpler substances. This process is essential because it returns nutrients back to the ecosystem, making them available for other living things to use again. There are two main types of decomposers in nature. First, we have fungi, which include mushrooms, molds, and yeasts. Second, we have bacteria, which are microscopic decomposers that work at a cellular level. Both types are equally important in the decomposition process. The decomposition process happens in three main steps. First, decomposers release special proteins called enzymes onto dead matter. Then, these enzymes break down complex molecules into simpler forms. Finally, the nutrients are released back into the soil and air, where plants and other organisms can absorb them. Decomposers can break down many different types of organic material. They process dead plants like fallen leaves, branches, and roots. They also break down dead animals, including carcasses and animal remains. Additionally, they decompose waste products like feces and any other dead biological matter in the environment. Decomposers serve four critical functions in the ecosystem. They recycle nutrients back into the environment so nothing goes to waste. They make nutrients available for plants to absorb and use for growth. They clean up dead matter, preventing it from accumulating in the environment. Finally, they maintain ecosystem balance by ensuring the continuous flow of energy and materials through food chains. Let's understand how nutrients cycle through an ecosystem. Plants absorb nutrients from the soil. Animals then eat these plants. When organisms die, decomposers break down their remains and waste. This releases nutrients back into the soil, where plants can absorb them again. This continuous cycle keeps ecosystems healthy and productive. Here's the most important thing to remember. Without decomposers, nutrients would remain locked in dead matter forever. This means plants couldn't get the nutrients they need, and life on Earth would not be sustainable. Decomposers are truly essential for all life on our planet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.